We're out here with the egg. We're going to try to get some egg going on. Okay, scramble me an egg. I got to figure out what the hell is going on with this thing with the orientation. I think that's going to be the tricky part, figuring that part out. Boy, setting this thing up is a real pain in the butt. I can assure you.
Normal. Return point has been updated.
Until I can see how this thing acts, I'm not going to take it out very far, believe me. Okay, so I guess the front, let me see this camera. It's supposed to do... Yeah, it doesn't do 360. It does like 320, seems like. It took me so long to set this thing up. It took me like over an hour to set up, to update. And you know, lugging this thing around is kind of a pain. It's not a Spark, okay? Just lugging this thing out of the car with this big heavy controller and the big heavy drone, it's kind of cumbersome, I'll give it that. Now I'm just shooting in 1080p right now, so the video you're going to see is just going to be the 1080p version. I'm just trying to figure out how this orientation is going to work. I have it in the normal mode. If you have it in the easy mode, it makes you stand like super duper far away from it just to get it to take off. You got to walk like 50 feet away for it to take off, you know. So we don't, every time I tried to take it off in the easy mode, it kept saying too close, too close. I was walking way, way far away from it. So like I said, this is just going to be my first flight. I'm just going to fly it for a few minutes because I want to check the heat on those motors. I'm not looking to try out any range on it because I know the range is about 2 miles on this thing. So I've seen some YouTube videos on it. It's got some real nice antennas on here, and it's got its own proprietary Wi-Fi signal coming out of here too. So okay, let me see what the story is with this. Okay, hold on. Let me turn it this way. Okay, so that's that. See, it's just hard to tell the orientation of this thing just by watching them lights. Now let me try. I think the easy mode is like a headless mode. Which I don't like. I just don't like flying in that mode. Only when I'm flying real far out somewhere do I even use it. Okay, get out of that easy mode, because once it gets so close to you, it locks out your control if you have it in that easy mode. So you're better off flying it in the normal mode. Let me see if I can do a loop around the park with it. Okay, I am going to have to, the red lights just ain't cutting it for me. I think I'm going to put a black sticker or some black duct tape on one side of this thing. See how the legs come down when you get down too low? See that? And then they go back up once you get up higher. I don't know what the camera's doing there. It's self-adjusting itself or something, I don't know. I don't know what the deal is with that. Some kind of self-adjusting type deal going on there. There it goes again. I don't know what this... I probably have to do a gimbal calibration on it. I don't know what it's doing, so we'll figure it out. Okay, it was a thrill a minute. Okay, with the big burly egg. Yeah, this thing is extremely cumbersome to operate. The motors are not even the least bit warm. That was my biggest concern with this thing, was going to be these motors, how hot they were going to get. But they're just warm to the touch, barely warm. And I probably flew for at least, what, 10 minutes or more. So, yeah. That concern is over with. So I'm not going to be worrying about taking it out anywhere and taking it up and away, so... See, it's got these little sensors on here for the legs, when the legs close up. So that's pretty cool. Alright, we got the gimbal guard back on. So, my one main concern with this thing was the motor temperature. And that did not come to fruition as far as it getting hot. So, I'm not worried about it now. Next time I take it out, I'll take it out there good. So, alright boys. It's been a thrill a minute. Now I gotta go try to configure this gimbal. Quit it dancing all around like that. I don't know what the story is, but I'll figure it out. Alright guys, talk to you later.